Hey there, so here's Messenger. If you want to enable Do Not Disturb, just tap on your profile in top left, tap on GR settings in top right, and then you have here notifications and sounds on. And then you can just enable Do Not Disturb, and then you can just do it for for specific period you like, until 8 a.m. for 24 hours, for 8 hours, for 1 hour, for 15 minutes. You can't enable it for the unlimited until you cancel it for some reason. So Facebook disabled that functionality, but here you can just check which periods you wanna enable it for. So here you just have those, and then you can just enable those notifications and sounds just like that, and that should do the trick. Also, I think you can go to to your settings app, and then you can just search for Messenger, and then here you can just go to notification and just disable notifications from here. So yep, that's what it is.